COVID-19 has claimed the lives of nearly 2,000 Idahoans, and many families who have lost a loved one may now face unexpected funeral costs.
Our Ricardo Coronado has more on a federal program now providing funeral assistance.
Within our family, he was a life force. He brought an energy to everything that we did, and he had great stories. He had so many wonderful stories that we all miss.
Marisol Orozco's father, Manuel Alvarez, passed away from COVID-19 in January. Alvarez was known as a person who gave back to his community as a boxing coach who helped youth at risk for decades. While the family coped with the loss, they also had to plan for funeral arrangements.
Luckily for us, our parents planned for a day that they wouldn't be here, and they had some money set aside to cover some of the cost. But even still, there is more things that come after you lose someone, headstones and...
This month, FEMA will start the application process for the COVID-19 Funeral Assistance Program. FEMA will reimburse funeral expenses for deaths related to COVID-19 that happened after January 20 of last year. Families could receive a maximum of $9,000 per funeral. The Idaho Department of Health and Welfare reports more than 1,900 deaths related to the virus.
This pandemic, this virus, it just came upon us, and it was here before a lot of us knew it. And people that succumbed to it, I'm sure they weren't planning for their life to be over within a year. To think of other families going through this, didn't have the means to cover everything at all. That breaks my heart.
To be eligible, FEMA asks individuals to have a death certificate that states the death was related to COVID-19 and receipts of funeral cost. Orozco says they're considering the federal assistance, but continue to find hope amid the loss.
We kind of take my dad's kind of mantra for life, for which was just, you got to keep moving forward. You get knocked down, life will knock you down, but you got to get up and keep moving forward.
Ricardo Coronado, Idaho News 6.
And FEMA will start taking applications on April 12th. The federal agency has created an 800 toll-free number to call for assistance. We'll have the information on idahonews6.com.